The Trends Performance module not only allows you to identify trending products, but also helps brands spot demands and further validate whether the demand is sustained in the market. Let's take a look how you can identify and validate trends with these few steps. First, let's identify the trending category. The Overview tab provides a high-level analysis of all categories in the selected market. You can identify up and down trends by the color of the lines. Green represents an uptrend, while red represents a downtrend. The popularity of the trend is measured by the trend score next to the green trend line. The more popular the trend, the higher the score. In this example, we are looking at the overall trends of the women's category in the UK market. Let's analyze the uptrend for intimates by clicking into the product visual. A trend scoreboard will slide from the right to show you a more detailed analysis of the trend. From the trend chart, you can see that the solid line or the green line is consistently above the dotted line, which represents the benchmark trend for all categories. This means that intimates is one of the stronger categories and has consistent demand in the last 3 months as it continues to trend above the dotted line. Once you have identified a trending category, you can further research on trending designs. Now, filter the price status at full price and stock status out of stock to analyze the strength of the trend against full price products that have gone out of stock within the same date range to validate demand. Here, we can see that intimates still show an uptrend indicating a strong performance for the category. When we click into the product image, we can scroll down for a list of the top 5 retailers and brands stocking up this category to identify key drivers for this trend. Selfridges & Co., Simply Be, Pretty Little Thing are the top 3 retailers that carry intimates in the UK market. From here, we can further deep dive to spot trending designs or silhouettes that are selling in the market. You can also narrow the product list by selecting the top retailers or brands or by the most similar brands on the mini filter. Brands should validate the performance of trends before producing. Using the competitive benchmarking module, go to the Trade Performance card under the Retailer Analysis tab and select brands or retailers you have identified in the previous tab. In this example, we have selected Selfridges & Co., Simply Be, and Fashion Nova to analyze the performance of intimates. Scroll down to Trade Analysis card to review the sell-out contribution for the intimates category and to validate if sell-outs are driven by full price or discounted price products. From here, you can see that most of the sell-outs for intimates were contributed by full price by these retailers rather than on markdowns. This further validates the strength of the trend for this category. And that's it. With data-backed insights, brands are empowered to confidently decide on the right assortment to produce. By validating the category beforehand, retailers or brands can minimize the risk of producing short-lived fads and maximize profitability.